Going to, ano yun? Judd's. So the vacuums are ready. 1, 2, 3.
So, i-try na natin dahil yung crackers na ginawang chichirya.
Hindi pala putyo-putyo.
Okay lang.
Grabe yung lobster, mami.
Gano'n tayo kumain mamaya lang. Oh, tangulo oh.
Kawawa naman. Uy, nahilo na sila. Ito mga food. Ayan yung Thai tea, favorite ni mami.
May bar pa, oh. Try ako isa.
Hubert, dapat dinalaan natin ang ate mo sa press.
Ano bang shrimp yung kanina?
Mami, daanan natin to mamaya. Ito may squid, oh. Oh. Ano to, mami?
I don't like spicy. I'm
Ano,
scared of spice.
Dapat pinibidyo mo paano niya gawin. Kawawa noon yung mga baby shrimp.
Oh. Antayin natin mga birthday boy.
try mo dito.
Noon yung mga baby shrimp.
Oh.
Try mo dito.
Grabe. It's alive.
Sticky rice na naman.
Uy, nakalala mo ba saan tayo galing? Oo.
Oo, doon. Ano daw?
Which size?
Ah, there's a sign. Ah, 100.
The dancing shrimp and mango sticky rice.
Dito tayo galing eh. Diyan lang sila daddy. Ha? Oo. Ay, ito na strawberry. Wala ko na si Fred.
Baka matunaw na kung bibilin mo ngayon.
Balik talaga ni JN.
Ito, crickets kaya. I-try mo, mami.
Ayoko, wala talaga akong gang to try that. Ano ba, Chef RB?
Oo nga.
Ano ba yung in-order niyo?
In-order na naman siyang kanin eh. Hindi sa pork. Ay talaga, pork.
Hi guys, naa kami diri sa night market. Mga untag shrimp, mga malunggay, na mga liempo, na mga cow.
Bagay ka na!
Ay naku. Bakit ayaw mag-face? Bakit ayaw mag-face sa harap? Nasa mukha ako.
Kain ng fresh.
Ano yan? Oyster?
I doubt it na makain niya ng fresh. Wala na siya sa 100 lang. Gusto mo ba?
Ano?
Ikaw, kung kaya ng chan mo.
Wala. Kung may CR lang dito, I would take the risk.
Pauwi natin sa hotel mo kayo.
O sige, sige.
O ibaon na. Doon na magmukbang.
Uuwi rin naman
How much muna?
Hindi ko nung sauce na yun. Gusto mo?
Ah, kayo talaga.
Ay na?
Tapos pwede rin may ganito.
Ah, may rice.
Oo, parang ano siya.
Ang dami na. Oh, pang mukbang. Patay na yung shrimp.
Oo. Sandali lang naman.
Ayan, dito na ulit tayo.
Ayun, matuwa ka.
Bawal outside.
Ay, no daw pa niya.
Bawal daw. No outside food. O magmumukbang ka na o. Kumain ka na o.
I-take out mo na lang yung
Siyempre, pakain mo na habang nandito tayo. Barbecue lang yan.
Paabot nga. Panalport.
Pakain mo na nga ng Siyempre, pakagat-kagatin mo lang. Huwag mo ilabas.
How is it? How is it?
subusubuan mo katabi mo dyan ka sa gitna.
Spicy.
Takpan ko dyan si Bren.
Hindi kaya ni mami to.
Ay, ganun. Hindi mo sinabihan na not spicy? Nakalimutan.
Alis mo na yung sili.
Alisin mo na siya agad. Walang makakain.
Oh no.
Umaya nakita aray ko.
Mami, tinitingnan ko talaga.
Rice ka na naman yan.
Okay guys, sikain muna ang vacuum.
Ang hang.
Grabe allergy ko. Hindi ko pala ito sinunod.
Ikaw lang, ayaw mo kung dahon na to eh.
Ano ba yan? Tikchay?
Ang ganda ng service dito. May tagahimay tsaka may nagsusubo.
Nagustuhan mo lang?
Walang tissue, grabe.
Ayun, may wipes ako.
Sit only.
Sarap.
Ay, grabe siya.
Try mo lang anak para mag-try mo.
Papakin mo isa ka.
Sige na, ito na.
Sayang, hindi natin.
Oh, wala ko makain.
Kasi hindi ka nag-order.
Kaya hindi ko rin alam ano gusto ko.
Na-overwhelmed ka sa dami.
Ang sarap. Ang init. Ang sarap. May electric fan ako pero di naka-on.
Diyan, kuha ka pa tubig.
Patikim ako niyan, Daddy.
Grabe na sa kabilang table, nagluluha yung tikol kumakain. You know why? Say why? Say why? Because you're 9 years old and you're doing
Parang ano? Yung niluluto ni Mami yung ano? May miswa.
Oo, yun ang nga. Kaya ako nagustuhan yung parang niluluto ko.
Gusto ko may laman naman, hindi ko kaya sinutin.
Halatang ko si Mami.
Kay Mami na to, ah.
Baka hindi ko kaya ha.
Lap,
Walang lasa yung hipon.
Yung ano lang. Dahil yung soup lang sa kumata.
Ayan na ang labi, oh. Wala na. Namamaga na.
Number 1, tom yum soup. Number 2, pork rib soup. Pork rib soup. Number
Wala
3,
na, oh.
clams.
Wala na.
Resolve. Yeah, thank you, girl.
Tulala.
Wala kayo nakita love yung shoot.
Can you say, Bren?
Meron din kami sticky rice.
Oh, baby Bren.
Saan natin
My
kakain?
feet hurt.
Why? Because you are 9 years old.
Hi.
Mommy, oh. So what can you say?
Masarap yung ribs.
Ang asin yung sabaw.
Skibidi toilet.
Magkano lang?
Cry, 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 Delilah.
Hindi mo namimili.
Kunwari namimili pero naghugas ng kamay.
Oh, your turn.
Ay, ang sarap.
Oh, ikaw naman, oh. Uy, parang complete. Ay, wala.
Gusto ko lemonade juice. Gusto ko ko lemonade juice. Uy, lemonade juice naman.
10 out of 10.
Oh, very good. Oh, very good.
69? Meron siyang card na wala. Okay na?
Pangit ng mga strawberry.
Ay, iba siya, anak.
Yeah, it's broken na. You talaga. You don't know how to choose because you're young. Okay, you don't know the ripe and...
Leave me alone.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna become short.
You won't. Oh, you rate your ano ha? Let them hear the crunch, okay? Okay? Are you excited to try the tanghulu with the crunch?
Yes.
Why?
Because I think it's gonna be the medicine to my pain.
Okay, mine's the grape. Okay, one grape for me. Okay. Good, very good. Bren, let me try. Give me that. It's good. Yummy, no? It's sweet. Am I right? Or am I very right? Oh, dito muna, Dar. Gusto ko tanghulu pag may madaanan dito. Ano yung takoyaki? Ito, ano to, mami?
Itong barbecue, ikaw nakakain.
Bakit?
Ayaw na nila dyan.
Oh. Parang same lang.
Oo, same lang, Dar.
Wala na.
Fried insect.
Saan? Pag i-try ni Kuya Miguel, i-try ko.
Bye bye inamo.
What is Ate Dar saying? Ay, inawo. Parang mas tahimik dito.
Oh, did you hear the sound?
Wala masyado eh.
Hindi mabaho. Buti pa ito kainin. Ikaw, ayaw kumain ng bukay o pamahan.
Oo, mami, may uso na ganyan. I-try mo. Ayan, oh.
Ay, gan, mabuti pa sila o hindi sila masyado stress.
Para kayong nababaliw sa...
Talaga stress sila.
Hindi ba masarap yung ganyan? Parang disappointed ako. Yun lang. Yun na lang ang food. Ito, may barbecue ba dito?
End ko rin
lang
from
din. Ito, mami, ano? Ay, iba to. Kumpay. I want tanghul. You want again, Bren? Share tayo.
Masyadong matamis kay
Hala! Centipede!
Wait.
Ayan, you want to try?
No. We're back at the hotel, and so far, these are our takeaways. I feel very sad because we got the extra large sticky mango rice, and this was the only sauce thing they gave us. It's not enough. This is the dancing shrimp. I'm not gonna eat that. It's my mom's. And this is the raw marinated crab. It's my mom's as well. I am obsessed with the orange juice. It's pure orange juice, no sugar, but it's so sweet. I feel like it's Honkan orange. The small ones, the sweet small ones, that's why it's very sweet. And there are like orange chunks. It's so good. Another orange chunk. I love it. You have to try this when you go there. This is the best. I almost forgot. We also have this. What? Yum yum. For me, the whole night, the most I've enjoyed is the tom yum soup. Really the best. A must try. But the rest of my family enjoyed the pork rib soup. I'm the only one who enjoyed the tom yum soup, right, Bren?
I don't know what that is, but okay.
The spicy soup I was eating earlier. The one with the giant prawns. The lighting here is not that good, but this is it. There's also the, I think this is pingy pig, but I don't like it. I feel like there's aftertaste that's very weird to me, so I don't like it. Their mangoes are very sweet, which I like. I tried this sticky mango rice in Singapore and Malaysia. It doesn't taste the same. This is good, but I feel like the one in Platinum Mall is so much better. Happy